Hey, so this is my 2013 BMW F10 M5. New to me, but it's a damn near a decade old. But yeah, man, it's that new thing right here. Love it. You know what I'm saying? Stock. It's not even stock. As you can see, it has a bunch of dining parts and is also dining tune. So apparently with the dining tune, it's supposed to be 600 horsepower crank, supposedly. But we get more into what actual power is into this car. But we got a 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo under here. It definitely is the what do you call it, the S63 motor trim. If you don't know that, you know, there's a 63, the N63, which is the regular M50, and on the M5 you get the S63. With all M motors, you get the S in front of the name. But yeah, man, so far it's a dream. I love it. So yeah, these are the 20 inches, 20 by 10, 20 by 9.5, 20 by 10 in the rear. You know, we got 18.2 inches when it comes to brakes alone. So for most people, if you run an 18-inch rim, I use your wheels to stop this thing. This thing is big, it's a boat, you know, but it's pretty good, it's pretty good, it's pretty good. A wider fender flare right here, you know what I'm saying? That's how you're gonna know it's different from any other 5 Series out there. Any other F10 5 Series, 550, 535, 528s. So don't let that trick you. Also, look at the front, there's no fog lights. Don't let that trick you. It's gonna be guys with the M bumper trying to pretend that if you see a fog light, B, trying to imitate. Right here, no fog lights, none but a radiator. Car has 4 radiators. It has to keep cool somehow. This thing run up heat. I'm running 2 95s, 30 20s in the rear. I'm gonna be honest with you, that's not even enough to keep this car from not being squirrely in 3rd and 4th. I'm still losing grip on a pull. So I might go up to like 3 15s in the rear, you know, just to get a little more grip. In the back of the car, you know, we got the quad exhaust. Of course, we have full dining exhaust. We got the full dining exhaust, front to back, from the headers going back. It thing sounds crazy. It's not as quiet as you think it is. It actually sounds fantastic. And it still kept its valves, so I could still sneak past cops if I need to. And when I feel like, look at that, hiding. Yeah, I'll be able to drive out of here on time. Or if the coast is clear, I'm screaming on these streets. For real, for real. Yeah, man. I'm gonna tell you right now, this M5 is a dream, man. But you know, I gotta be careful. It's kind of raining outside right now.
Yeah,
and, you know,
window was down.
It was?
Yeah, I got it up.
It's kind of raining out there, so I'm not trying to, you know, kill us. And then you have like found footage of us dying, right? So I ain't worried about all that. But right now we're just gonna drive, talk about a little bit about this car. You know, man, it's a dream. You know, it's my first M car. It's fantastic. My dream car was the M6. You know, price is going up. Gas is crazy. Gas is just crazy right now. But you know, I was looking at the M6. A lot of V8s are just skyrocketing, especially naturally aspirated V8s. So if you're trying to like really invest in something, get some naturally aspirated V8s. NA V8s, yes. Turbo is not going up as fast. Superchargers aren't going up as fast, but it is going up because V8s are fading away. But yeah, I was trying to get an M6. M6 is my dream car. You know, the Grand Coupe or the Coupe. I really wanted the Coupe, but my car is always filled with people all the time. So I was like, you know, 4 doors makes sense. We went to go meet up the guy who's selling it. You know, his name's Sonny. Shout out to him.
You're the best, bro.
Yeah, shout out to him. We went to go check it out, do a test drive, thing like that. And he was like, you can't test drive it. I was like, well, why we can't test drive it? He said he just put a new motor in this car and it's in the braking period right now. I said, what? He said, new motor. Come on, guys. I had to buy it. A new motor? It's from 0? Now this car has a little over 90,000 miles on it. But the motor is like maybe 4,000 miles.
I thought it was 10.
You know what I'm saying? So, just like, it's a no-brainer. And everything else got like 90,000 miles on the chassis on itself. Other than that, you know, but yeah, like, I've been driving this car for like 2 months now. Man, it's crazy. It's quick. Them scat pats, stop with them Mopar boys. They slow. Don't let them fool you with the little grunts, growls, straight pipes, and burnouts. Y'all need to stop.
Mama speeded up and then she started going slower. I told her keep her chin up, but it started going lower.
So, do I need to stop for this?
No, you really don't have to stop.
Okay.
You don't have to stop. Just
So I can do all this in motion.
Yeah, you can do all this motion. Actually, on the steering wheel right here, as you can see, there's an M1 and M2 button.
Yeah.
Right over there. Go ahead and hit that M1 button.
So I hit M1, right? M1 on the top. All of a sudden, the gear just dropped. One gear just dropped. Was getting ready. The steering feels. I don't really feel anything.
Well, you could tell what it's set to. The steering still set to comfort.
Still okay.
But what else? But drivetrain.
But the sport is on the. I mean, the suspension is on sport mode now, and the drivetrain is a sport mode.
Yeah.
That just for M1.
Yeah, and that's completely customizable. I could change that.
Okay.
So you can customize what those M buttons do.
So we could go ahead on this.
So you could go ahead and put a little foot down, you know.
All right.
See how it feels.
Let me get on a straightaway. All right. So let's see how it feels right now. See how it feels if I go full throttle. Okay.
Keep both hands on, but
My bad.
keep both hands.
Nah, I don't know why I'm reaching for the damn shifter. Like somehow I'm gonna save the car. But
yeah.
Okay, so once I went full throttle, it actually dropped 2 gears and then kicked me back and then change another gear, keep going. I was easily getting into the hundreds. I was like, whoa, okay, let me slow my ass down before I get in trouble. Yeah. But that feels good for just the 1M setup.
Yep.
Okay.
That's 1M setup. You know, feel it around a little bit more.
Yeah.
And guys, I might let him touch the infamous M2 setting.
Jesus. Okay, but I will say this. I feel the car feels firmly planted on the road, even when I was going to that speed. The only thing startled me was that sudden burst of power, but overall, didn't necessarily feel anything crazy about the car. The car feels great right now. So, what kind of tires do you have and what supports it? Because for a car with this power, I was just curious about the type of tires and the size you have.
Well, it's running on Michelin Pilot Sports 4S Pros. You know, it could go a little more aggressive.
So what size?
But we're gonna start right now. But you know, the rear got 295s.
295s?
295s.
It looks bigger. I thought it was in the 3s.
Oh no, it definitely needs 3s. And I'm about to let you know why it needs to be in the 3s in a second.
Oh God. What about front? Front is probably like 275.
265.
265.
265.
Okay. So I'm gonna hit M2 right now.
So go ahead and M2.
Boop. And it says confirm.
Oh, confirm.
Yep. That's M2.
Go ahead, hit it again. Confirm, hit it again. Boom. All those lights.
So yeah,
Trans-
MDM. What the hell that means?
M dynamic mode has been activated.
Okay.
So the thing is about these cars, they actually take away 30% of the drivetrain power.
Wow.
Until you're on MDM mode, you have full 100%.
100% power and
To the rear wheels.
the infamous traction control.
Traction control light is
This thing
on.
Oh, like you shit. And then yeah. So
Oh, and as you can see, there's no more D. So there's paddle shifts.
So now it has to be manual. So the paddle shifts, you can either use it down here or here, which I highly recommend on a car.
Both hands on the wheel.
Both hands on the wheel. So the right side obviously is going up. You're shifting upwards. Downshift to left. Go all out.
And then you go all out. Now, rear end wheel kick.
Okay.
Just throttle the feather the throttle to keep your traction.
Okay.
And it's gonna go forward. So
All right, guys. So
you get a chance.
this is really scary. He just gave me a warning, and I'm terrified right now. So, what I'm gonna do for the sake of my life and Jason and I relationship, I am not gonna go all the way out like he encouraged me to do. I'm just gonna get a taste and see how it feels. Okay, torque is there. 4. Now I'm going all the way in. Wow, no, I'm not. I know some YouTubers, they probably exaggerate on like the experience. Dude, I'm scared, bro. I'm not playing. I am actually scared of driving this car. The G's that pull me back, I'm actually holding the steering wheel to keep my body tense. This is, gosh.
I've been trying to I have to wedge myself in the seat and record you.
Like, if I'm getting in, like, and by the way, guys, that was maybe 3/4 of my of that pedal travel. That wasn't all the way in. I was that doubtful, and it still scared the shit out of me.
I might do a video with us doing a mountain run, just to see how it is to drive on the mountain. I'm scared as hell, but I'm gonna do it, y'all.
Dude, this sounds
Do it.
amazing, man. It sounds amazing. It feels amazing. It scared the shot. You don't need coffee, dude. If you're when you go to work and you're starting your day or whatever,
Hey, do a quick pull.